In this video, how to fix failed to load extension could not load manifest in Google Chrome. You got this because you're trying to install a version 2 manifest extension manually. First, from the URL bar, let's open the Chrome flags page. Search for Manifest Experiments. Then enable the Allow Legacy Extension Manifest version option. The option allows Chrome to support the Manifest v2. Click on Relaunch Google Chrome button to restart the Google Chrome. Once the Manifest v2 is allowed, open the Chrome Extension Management page, then load your Unpacked extension. As you can see, the extension is now installed and working as expected. Please note, this is a temporary solution. When Google Chrome is updated, the v2 manifest will be disabled permanently. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.